In front of me is a General Mobile GM5 Plus, and today I'll show you how to do a hard reset to get rid of the lock screen. As you can see, you have a lock screen, and if you don't know the password, you can get rid of it. So to do it, we'll need to power off the device. So hold power key and tap on power off. Wait for the device to turn off, and once it's off, we'll hold volume down and power key. So these two. From here, we'll use volume up and down to navigate. So select recovery mode and then confirm it with the power button. And once you see this Android robot, we will hold power key and tap volume up once, so like so. And from here, once more, we're going to use volume up and down to navigate and power key to confirm. So with that in mind, select wipe data / recovery mode, or factory reset I meant, and confirm it with the power key. Then once more, select yes and confirm it. And once this is finished, go back to the recovery mode, and automatically it will be selected on Reboot System now. So just press power button, and if it's not selected, select the Reboot System now and confirm it. And wait for the process to continue in the background now. This will take about a minute or two, so I'll be back once it's finished. And as you can see, now the process is finished and you're ready to set up your device and not have any lock screen anymore. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.